We rent our property out for 3 months of the year while we travel overseas. And we found it wonderful to be able to set the place up, the property up, and leave it in the hands of Tāhuna Hideaway, and they simply look after everything for us. They do the bookings, organise the cleaning, and so we found it very successful. We can completely relax while we're away, knowing that it's in good hands, and it does help our travel expenses.
The thing that we really appreciate is that we're never oversold. It's never overpromised and underdelivered. Tāhuna do what they say they're going to do for us, and that is really appreciated, and there's a high level of trust in our relationship which we greatly value. Perhaps one of the biggest benefits we've found working with Tāhuna Hideaway has been their very thorough communication from the minute we leave to the minute we come home. We know what's going on. Monthly reporting is brilliant. No matter where we are, I know I can just tune in and find out what's happening, and we know that the property is just generally in very good hands.
And we find them very professional. Everything they do, all their presentation is very professional.
Having multiple rental properties with Tāhuna has enabled me to focus on my business and let me do what I do best. It's made it stress-free, and it doesn't put the day-to-day property management issues at front of mind. Our experience with Rebecca is she's always gone above and beyond. We've had satisfied tenants in our properties, and it's always been seamless communication.
The benefits of working with Tāhuna Hideaway are the professional way they handle all aspects of their business. Communication is excellent, and the portal keeps us informed of anything else that we require.